Welcome to our channel. If you want to experience Hulu with live TV for free before committing to a subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to start your trial. Step 1. Visit the official Hulu website at hulu.com or download the Hulu app from your device's app store to begin the sign-up process. Step 2. Look for promotional offers on the homepage that advertise free trials for Hulu with live TV. These trials are typically available for new subscribers and may vary in length. Step 3. Click Start Your Free Trial or similar button to begin registration. You'll be directed to select a subscription plan that includes live TV access. Step 4. Choose the Hulu Plus Live TV plan from the available options. This plan provides access to both Hulu's streaming library and live television channels. Step 5. Create a new Hulu account by entering your email address and creating a password, or sign in if you previously had a Hulu account but never used the live TV trial. Step 6. Enter your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and zip code, which helps determine which local channels will be available in your area. Step 7. Provide payment information by entering your credit or debit card details. Your payment method won't be charged during the trial period, but it's required to continue service afterward. Step 8. Review the trial terms, noting when your free trial ends and the monthly cost that will be charged automatically if you don't cancel. Start watching live TV and on-demand content immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.